Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. If you are facing an error while trying to run Euro Truck Simulator 2, ETS2, on a mobile device or through a mobile emulator, the following tutorial will guide you through some common troubleshooting steps and potential fixes. Troubleshooting steps for ETS2 Mobile Run Error Fix. 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your mobile device meets the minimum system requirements for running ETS2. This typically includes sufficient RAM, a compatible processor, and enough storage space. 2. Update the game. Make sure you have the latest version of ETS2 installed. Developers frequently release updates that fix bugs and improve performance. 3. Clear cache and data. If you're using an emulator, clearing the cache can resolve many issues. Go to Settings Apps ETS2, or the emulator. Tap on Storage Clear Cache and Clear Data. 4. Reinstall the app. Sometimes, reinstalling the application can resolve corrupted files. Uninstall ETS2 from your device. Restart your device. Reinstall the game from a trusted source. 5. Check emulator settings, if applicable. If you are using an emulator like BlueStacks, ensure that your settings are optimized. Allocate sufficient resources, RAM and CPU. Enable virtualization in BIOS if it's not enabled. 6. Modify configuration files. Sometimes, tweaking configuration files can help. Below is a sample code snippet to modify the config.cfg file, which is usually found in the game's directory. Make sure to back up the original file before making changes. Example code to modify config.cfg. 7. Adjust graphics settings. Lowering the graphics settings can help improve performance on devices with limited hardware capabilities. Look for the settings in-game and reduce options like texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. 8. Check for conflicting applications. Some applications running in the background can interfere with ETS2. Try to close unnecessary applications to free up resources. 9. Network issues. If you are accessing online features, make sure your internet connection is stable. Restart your router or switch to a different network if necessary. 10. Consult community forums. If the problem persists, consider visiting community forums or Reddit threads dedicated to ETS2. You might find others who have experienced similar issues and solutions that worked for them. Example, running ETS2 on an emulator. If you are using an emulator, here's a sample configuration you might consider. Conclusion. By following the steps outlined above, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix common run errors with Euro Truck Simulator 2 on mobile devices or emulators. Make sure to keep your game and device updated regularly to avoid future issues. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.